In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-core-registry-l1-1.0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the button that corresponds to your system type. Now once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then make a right click. Select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC. We'll double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Look for the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit system type, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So I'm a 64-bit, so double click on System32. Right click, select paste. Click on continue. Once done, close everything and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. Click on the start button and then go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button right here. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that we need for our machine, so simply update your Windows. So that's it. By using those methods, the issue will be fixed, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.